Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are a welcome subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Then if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do it to subscribe as I give you update on make money online products, affiliate marketing, and most especially dropshipping. We tell you about the winning product that you need to use to scale up your business, and we also give you the tools that will help you to make money as a dropshipper. If you're in any niche in terms of dropshipping, this place is the right place for you to be. So in this video, I will be showing you 5 top winning products. As I said, 5 top winning products that you can promote today and start making in your dropshipping website. So this dropshipping or this 5 top products were gotten through the help of a tool called Pipiads. Pipiads is a spy tool that you use to spy on your competitors on TikTok. So we are able to get these 5 winning products through the use of Pipiads. So you get the analysis of how you can leverage on this particular product and start making sales for yourself. Guys, we have done the whole work for you. All you need to do is just to get the information and make use of them. So in case you want to use Pipiads to get an amazing discount from us, we have a 20% discount that can help you to get access to Pipiads. And the code that you can use is at the screen. You can see it at the screen now. So you can use that code and get access to Pipiads. But in case you also need another spy tools, you can see the link below this video at the description. There are links below this video. So guys, let me show you the 5 top winning products that you can promote today and make money for yourself. Thank you. Let's go.
You looking for a winning product to sell? This product is currently popular on TikTok. So far, that's about 907,400 ad impressions and 51,900 popularity. A leg chain like this costs only 4.98 pounds, so you can make around 17 pounds in profit. You looking for a winning product to sell? This product is currently popular on TikTok. So far, that's about 22,800 ad impressions and 58 popularity. Sunflower fidget ring like this costs only $4, so you can make around $30 in profit. Are you looking for a winning product to sell? This product is currently popular on TikTok, so far that's about 26,400 ad impressions and 230 to popularity. Flash drive like this costs only 8 pounds, so you can make around 17 pounds in profit. Are you looking for a winning product to sell? This product is currently popular on TikTok. Far, that's about 112,900 ad impressions and 2,100 popularity. Moonstone marble iPhone case like this cost only $3, so you can make around $37 in profit. You looking for a winning product to sell? This product is currently popular on TikTok. There are currently 3,600,000 ad impressions and 103,200 popularity. Phone screen cleaner like this cost only $3, so you can make around $11 in profit. Follow us if you want to learn about other winning products like this one.